Hi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a master shot. Master shot is really easy. It's a self-regulating technique that the camera actually does on its own. But one of the things you want to take note of is the area that I'm in. See, the surroundings is very clear, right? Why don't we just do an aerial of going up? Because remember, the camera is going to be, or make that the drone, is going to be an autopilot. And if you look all around me, it's clear. And again, a lot of these features work really well, but require your surrounding to have nothing. It's as if the people who designed this were living in the desert. It'd be nice if there were some more features that you can do locally at home, in your backyard, or in your neighborhood. All right, so what you're going to do is see the little camera thing over there? Click it, and just simply press the master shot button. See that? And you'll see a little snippet of what you too can do with your drone. All right, and then you're going to take your finger, touch the screen, drag it. All right, and as you can see on the right over there, the little green button is highlighted for start. All right, so you press start.
3, 2, 1.
Alexa will count down, and it's going to just drift back. And it tells you, it says zoom in and out. So it's going to zoom. Look at that. And it's going up. It's going up. And now it's going a little. And you can see the flight pattern that the drone is actually going to take if you click on the maps, which is really cool. So, you can pretty much time it. Let's say, even though I'm in an open field, if someone starts to come, you kind of know where the drone's going to be if you can predict and calculate before the people actually get there. So let's say if someone's walking that way, you might not have to stop this simulation. You can just continue, because knowing like, by the time the drone gets there, they should be there. But never assume. Always fly safely. Look, it's drifting out. It's doing a droney, which is really cool. Let's go back. Really nice. And now it's circle far. And a lot of these effects you could actually do on your own and compile them and piece them together. So you're like, oh, that's a circle. Okay, I know that one. And you can download the flight log data and see where the joystick was at the time. Pitch, up and fly. I kind of like this one. It kind of reminds me of the chase scene when the drone is chasing someone. A rocket, which is really cool. That one's my favorite. I'm going to get in that one. Yeah, because rocket's just going straight up, but it says an aerial, and depending on the surroundings, looks really cool. And it says like a little swivel, camera down plus circle, which is great. And let's say you can if you want that effect, you can do that. You can basically just set it there and then just piecemeal it later. Look at that. Now it's camera straight descent, which means it's coming down. And there we go. And let's see if I can get into the shot. And it's returning. Look at that. And that's it. That is pretty much how you do the master shot with your DJI Mini 3 Pro. Hope this video helps you, and feel free to reach out and leave your comments and suggestions down below. But why don't we have a look? Okay, let's say you want to see your master shot. Click the play button. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a master shot. I hope this video helped you and you're better able to create a similar master shot experience, or even better. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. And remember to subscribe and like. And I'll see you all next time.